Are you a parent who's concerned about your child's education and the subject matter being taught in today's schools? Is your child being bullied or lost in the public school system? Would you like to take charge of your child's education? At Northgate Academy, your child can attend an accredited Christian school entirely online that teaches subjects from a Christian worldview. Let's face it, most schools are not teaching our children in a way that aligns with our Christian values. With this in mind, we invite you to consider Northgate Academy as a partner in your child's education. Why choose Northgate Academy? Our school offers more than 70 online courses with a particular focus on creation, discipleship, and Christian education. Northgate Academy's staff and instructors care about your child's success and will ensure that they receive a quality education. Northgate's online courses are affordable and flexible. Additionally, students are able to work at their own pace, depending on their needs. Northgate Academy is accredited by Cognia, which ensures credits and diplomas are recognized by other schools and colleges. At Northgate Academy, we cater to each child's individual learning needs to ensure success in school. Why not check us out today at northgateacademy.com?